Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Web University free educational videos. This is for everyone who needs to learn online using YouTube at my channel or at mywebuniversity.com, my website. At my channel, you're welcome to subscribe and just look for on Google at my Web University free educational videos, and there's a series of videos that I will post, and you are welcome to watch them all and learn Unix and Linux. In this series, I'm going to describe how the calendar command, cal command or calendar command in Unix and Linux works. So this is the image that I created that would be the kind of thumbnail for the video, and you will be seeing this. So in order to learn a calendar command, I'm going to show you the command lines. So there's a few number of list of things that you can do to find out the calendar. First of all, let's find out what what is the calendar command binary file. So file user bin cal, and you can see it is a symbolic link to new cal or ncal, which is another calendar for so if I just do a man ncal, you can see it also says display a calendar in the date of Easter. So it is kind of like in addition to that, and the actual calendar give you the Easter information, and you can get the Julian formats for calendar and the regular general purpose calendar. So if I just do quit here, because the file was saying this is a symbolic link to user bin cal is symbolic link. So if I do ls minus ld a user bin cal, you can see that it is symbolic link, which is this L means it's a symbolic link or soft link. And then this is the file that is a symbolic link, and then the actual file is called ncal for new cal or whatever, and the n stand for in this case. So if I just try to say ls minus ld user bin ncal, and because it's symbolic link to the same directory, there's a file here called ncal. If I say which ncal, you can also see that it's user bin cal. Type of user bin ncal, that one is actually the file that is called user bin ncal. And so if I look at the type of it, but if I look at the file of it, this one is an executable file, and you can see it is executable link format 64-bit. So that whenever you run the cal, it runs the ncal command. That's what it is. So let's clear the screen and run the cal command, because symbolic link to that one. By default, if you don't give no arguments, it's just runs the current month, which is February 2022. And then if you want to say, for example, the date on this one is because it's Eastern time zone, then it shows that it's about 2:28 in the morning in New York time, or this is Eastern time. So if you look at the calendar itself, if I want to know, for example, calendar 2022, it is the same thing as just typing cal. But if I want to know calendar 2 of 9098, let's say another year, then it produces the output for this one. If I say calendar 6 2001, for example, it gives me the calendar for June 2001. And if I just type in calendar all zeros, there's no such date. And the date has to be 0001 or 9999, the maximum number of dates that you can look up to. So if I want to just calendar the first year, in there, you could just do it. And if you wanted the first month in January for the year 0001, you can even get that information. So for a calendar of 2050, let's say, you can get the entire calendar, or calendar of 2050. This is basically give you the month of January, Cal 1, and 2050 would give you the year 2050. And you can also get information for, let's say, the epoch calendar, which is the UNIX system date that started 1970. So Cal 1970, this is the entire year. But if you want for the month of January, the first one, you just obviously put a month there, and that will give you 1970 calendar. You can also do a calendar for -J for Julian of this month. It will just, the default month would be printed, but it's going to be in the Julian format. So if you want the year 2022, the entire year, you can do that. And if you want like more information for a specific date in the Julian format, obviously you do that. But let's do the calendar of 2023. 2023, and next year we want to find out what day January 1st falls on. So you can see it's falling on in January on a Sunday. Next year, the new year will be Sunday. But if I want to know, okay, some months before today, this calendar today is February, but if I want to say, show me before February, 3 months. So Cal minus B, this is the current month, minus B means go before 3 months, January and December and this. And if I want to go 5 months before this month, February, you can get that one. So the number B dash B means before. And there's a similar command with dash A for after. So if I have the current month as February, and then I want to see 2 months after February, let's say March and April, then I can just say cal dash A and then 2. That would give me February, March, and April. And if you want more, like for example, 12 months, then up to the next year of 2023 on February, it will be produced there. Okay, and then if you need, obviously, info calendar will give you information about all the arguments and the syntax, some of them that I gave you, and some of them you could learn it and practice it. All these options are there with month and dash year, dash week, and all of them. It is not just for one video to just go through each one of these commands, but you can also do man for manual page on the calendar. And then you can get the list of these commands in a nice format with color-coded syntax for the actual command and then the option and arguments. So you can see that one there. And if you just do clear the screen, you just say what is cal. This is also the displays the calendar, and similarly, if you do what is ncal, it will just give you their information. If you want to know the keyword in manual pages, you could say man minus k cal. So any keywords that are having the command calendar, you can see that one. So there's a calendar command also for vacation setup and everything, but that's behind the scope of this video. So all you have to know is how to use the calendar command to get the current month and the first or second or whatever number of months, and then the number of years, let's say 1999, whatever you want, it will be there as produced to you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel, which is my web university free educational online videos, or my web university. Just the full description is my web university free educational videos, and then you are welcome to just subscribe so you can watch the rest of the videos as I post it. Have fun. Take care. Bye.